Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, Hashimoto's coach, gluten-free warrior, and creator of the Thyroid Reboot Method. You know, most women with hypothyroidism pop a pill every day and just hope for the best. And for a lucky few, this works just fine. But the truth is, most women don't get relief from just medication alone, and they still struggle with hypothyroid symptoms, particularly when it comes to weight gain. And 9 times out of 10, the solution that they turn to is more and more exercise. But more exercise can actually make the problem worse. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why that is and what you can do about it. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Now, I've worked with dozens of women with hypothyroidism, and the one symptom that they complain about the most is stubborn weight gain. And in most cases, these women keep exercising more and more, but the scale doesn't budge. Developing a customized exercise plan when you've got hypothyroidism is pretty important, and it is part of step 1 of my Thyroid Reboot Method. So let's talk about why exercising more might not be the solution. Excessive exercise leads to chronic stress. When your thyroid function is sluggish, even moderate amounts of exercise can keep your body in a state of chronic stress and encourage your body to hold on to fat instead of burning it. Here's how it works. When you've got hypothyroidism, your metabolic engine is riding the brakes. Everything slows down, including energy output. And that means that you have a tendency to put on weight around the hips and around the abdomen. So you hop on your elliptical or you head out for that run because you're desperate to lose that excess weight. But because your metabolism is already sluggish, when you go out to exercise, it's not too long before your body flips that stress switch and you start pumping out excess cortisol and glucose. So why is that a problem? Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone. And when cortisol levels are running high, your thyroid hormone levels get pushed lower and lower, slowing your metabolism down even more and again encouraging your body to hold on to that fat. Now, these elevated stress hormones also encourage the production of what's called reverse T3, which is the inactive form of thyroid hormone. You can think of it as kryptonite for your thyroid. As reverse T3 levels increase, it's harder and harder for you to lose the weight. The bottom line is that excessive exercise makes your thyroid function worse. Your energy crashes and you continue to hold on to that extra weight. Have you had the experience where increasing your exercise has actually made it more difficult for you to lose weight? If so, drop your favorite emoji in the comments. All right, so let's talk about what you can do about this problem. In a perfect world, it's best to work with a functional practitioner who can develop a customized movement and exercise program for you. But if that's not possible, there's a simple formula you can use to get you started. Number 1, restrict your workout sessions to 30 minutes or less. Number 2, limit those workout sessions to 2 to 3 times a week. And number 3, make sure to get 1 to 2 days of rest in between your workout sessions. Now, I define a workout session as any exercise routine that gets your heart rate up and requires heavy exertion. So think, running, biking, weight training, things like that. Now, the one form of exercise you can do every day is walking. And in fact, I suggest that all of my clients get out first thing every morning and take at least a 30-minute walk. To learn more about my Thyroid Reboot Method and how you can rebuild your thyroid function from the ground up, check out the link that I have listed in the video description. If you're watching the replay on IGTV, just head to my bio link for more information. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can let me know by liking it, subscribing to my channel, and sharing this video with a friend who has Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I try my best to answer each and every one. I'll see you next week.